I'm not trying to do no acrobatics when I'm trying to do my nails, y'all. Okay? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raven, aka the Swank Stylista, and on my channel I teach baddies on a budget, honey, how to love themselves more and be their best selves through fashion, press-on nails, lifestyle, and a little bit of beauty. Today, we're doing these nails, honey, okay? So we're taking them from bare to this. BTArtbox or BTArtbox Nails sent me a kit. It's their gradient kit. It goes from like this brown color all the way to this orangey color. And we're going to try them out. I'm going to show you the whole process. And I'm going to give you my final thoughts at the end because I've had them on for about a week now. So I'm going to give you all my thoughts, how they're wearing, and everything like that, and let you know. These are Gel X nails, but you apply them with the gel glue. Okay, and then you put the gel top coat and everything on top of them. So they're like a press-on, but not, if that makes sense. Per usual, everything will be linked in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get into this process and what comes with the kit. So the kit comes with the nail gel glue, the builder gel, and a bottle of gel top coat. It also comes with a nail file. This is a great one, high grit, and it comes with the individual nail lamp to cure your nails. And of course, it comes with the nails. This set comes with 5 different colors of nails, so you can do a set with all one color or mix and match them. First, I had to size my nails, of course. This is the first time I'm using this kit. The nail sizing was okay. It was a little off than my normal sizes, but for the most part, they were the same. I decided to go with a design of the orange starting on the thumb on one hand and the orange ending on the pinky on my other hand. Next, I did file and buff the top part of my nails so that the nail gel glue would adhere a little bit better. Now it's time for the glue. I added the glue directly to the nail and then added the nail to my finger. You do have to cure each nail individually underneath the lamp so that it will harden. After all the nails were set, I used the nail file to file off any tabs that were left on the ends of the nails. Next step is the builder gel. You'll just paint it on like regular polish or gel polish, and then you're going to cure it for about 60 to 90 seconds. And the last step is adding the gel top coat, and of course you will also cure this for 60 to 90 seconds. And once I was done, I just added some cuticle oils to help nourish my cuticles. So now for my final thoughts, okay? So I'm gonna tell you the things that I liked about the process and the things that I did not like about the process. Now, one, I love how many nails come in the set. That's amazing. It's great. You get to pick and choose. You can do all one color. You can do different colors. Love that down. Now, I do wish that it came with a matte top coat as well. So if you wanted to make your nails shiny, you could, or if you wanted to make your nails matte, because the nails come matte and then you put the top coat and everything on top of it. Whenever I use this system again, because we got the nails now, so we're going to use them, I will be using like a hand dryer for the last 2 steps, because that individual one finger at a time took forever and way too long. Okay, so I don't want to do that no more. Not at all. So I will be adding a little builder, putting it in, okay, whole hand, taking it out, adding the top coat, putting it in, taking it out, because that one, that's what takes so long, is that one at a time. You waiting, and then also my Beetle's nail lamp, as soon as you put your finger in, it comes on. This one you got to turn on, which I don't like, okay? BTArtbox, if y'all are watching, get one that you could just put your finger in and it comes on. Because that having to, especially when you have to do the nail glue, you have to hold the fingernail down. So I'm having to hold the fingernail down and then with another finger try to touch the top of it. I'm not trying to do no acrobatics when I'm trying to do my nails, y'all. Okay? Also, the gel glue, if you get too much, honey, it's stuck. It's up and it's stuck. So you really got to like file, dig, pry to get that glue off. And that's like one of the things I hate, is having to try to get all that excess glue. And I didn't use a ton of glue to try to set the nails, but it started to spill out. And what was I to do, honey? So try to wipe it off before, but it's hard because the nail starts lifting. Okay? We're just try to do something. Okay? If you're really good with the nail drill, you can knock it out real quick. I'm not the best. My whole hand be tore up sometimes. It is what it is. So I just use like a regular nail file and some tweezers to get some of the glue off. And it was pretty okay, but I have some nails that just aren't there. Don't look too close. Okay? That was the process. Now on to how they've worn, how they look, what they're giving now. I've had these nails on for actually less than a week. I was already skeptical with the nail glue, the nail gel glue, because those don't ever seem to really stay on my nails. These have been staying pretty well. I've had to replace one nail already though. Okay? This little sucker came off. So I don't know if I didn't put enough glue all the way to the end or what, but I could feel it start lifting. So I just used my little nail drill to get the excess glue out, and I re-glued it, and we seem to be good to go. Okay? Okay. So if you can see that, I do have some nails where the gel is lifting there as well. So that's the only reason I don't like to put gel top coat on sometimes, because it can lift in certain areas. So that kind of sucks, because I also have not had these on for a full week. So I don't think that the gel top coat should be lifting off. But that's just me. I just don't think it should be. So yeah, it's okay. I give it about a 5. Maybe a 7. Maybe a 7. We'll give it a 7. The nails are very sturdy, honey. They are a little bit thicker than I'm used to, because you do have to put the builder gel and the top coat on top of it. So they feel more like acrylics than my press-ons do. Like my press-ons are usually a lot thinner, but still like sturdy at the same time. So yeah, this is, like I said, what they're giving. I love the ombre of them. I did mix it up where I had the brown color start on the pinky on this nail, and then the brown color starts on the thumb on this nail. But I liked it. I just didn't love it. To me, there were more cons than pros of the process, how they're wearing, and all of that stuff. I do have a friend that loves them down, so I may see like, girl, what am I doing that's wrong? And maybe like the kit that she has is a little bit better. I do wish they came in a little bit longer lengths as well, because I think this is the longest they come in, which is great. Like, they're a good length for me, but I want the almond ones, and I wish that those come in a little bit longer length so that I could actually fit them. So yeah, there's that. Again, I'll link everything in the description box below. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this brand before, how you like it, what I did, what I didn't do, what I should do better next time. Let me know. But since you made it this far, you might as well join the tribe of baddies on a budget, honey, and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. Until next time, girl, watch this video that's picked specifically for you.